So remember the Chunavi Hindu jibe and the poster of inspired by film Bhool Bhulaiya of Chhota Pandit character hitting at Arvind Kejriwal. Now the Aam Aadmi Party's big Chunavi Muslim attack on Home Minister Amit Shah. Look at that. Home Minister Amit Shah donning a cap traditionally associated with the Muslim community, and the Aam Aadmi Party is asking, why does the BJP talk about the Muslims only before the elections? This is in many ways being seen as a response to how Arvind Kejriwal was targeted as Chunavi Hindu. Now Aam Aadmi Party says, look at this Chunavi Musalman, Home Minister Amit Shah. Ashutosh Mishra joins me for the latest on that. So Ashutosh, ahead of the party song, campaign song that's going to be released, comes in the Chunavi Hindu, Chunavi Muslim jibe. Can we say that it's going to be again religious, polarizing rhetoric even in Delhi elections?
Well, even in that case, if it is polarizing, it can't be as polarized as it was in 2020. So clearly, Pooja, during the previous broadcast when we were discussing about how the Aam Aadmi Party is one political startup which is known for not playing on the other party's pitch, and they design their own pitch and invite other players to play on it. So remember, the BJP, the way they targeted the Chunavi Hindu, calling Arvind Kejriwal, talking about Hanuman Chalisa, going Hanuman Temple, and Arvind Kejriwal since 2022 proven himself to be a Kattar Hanuman Bhakt, and all you that see the BJP targeting that how Kejriwal is anti-Hindu, he's a Chunavi Hindu, he goes temple only during the elections.
Because Chunavi Hindu jibe. Let's get this. Ashutosh, what we are trying to, so the viewer, in case have missed, Chunavi Hindu jibe came because of the Pujari Granthi scheme that was organized. So I'm wondering, where is this Chunavi Muslim jibe coming from that Aam Aadmi Party feels must be thrown at Home Minister Amit Shah, not even at Prime Minister Modi?
Well, not the first time that BJP has called Arvind Kejriwal a Chunavi Hindu. This time because he announced the scheme for the Pujaris and Granthi. But in 2015, when he started going to Hanuman temples, then also the BJP called him a Chunavi Hindu. Here, what it comes that when we see the peak of election campaign taking up in the BJP started talking about Rohingya, the BJP talking about Bangladesh immigrants voted, the BJP raised the issue of Imam, Maulvi, the salary, the Waqf board issue, taking the jibe on that. The moment there is an election, the BJP becomes Chunavi Muslim. They talk about Maulanas, they talk about... Remember, there was certain video clip that Aam Aadmi Party shared that how the BJP is also talking about that how the Imams are and the Maulvis are not even getting salary from the Waqf board. They talk about the Waqf board, they talk about the Bangladeshi, the Rohingya, the Muslims and everything. So this is again all political rhetorics, and when it is said everything is fair in love war and politics, this is what you see in Delhi. The BJP calls Chunavi Hindu. He's dragging and bringing Aam Aadmi Party, bringing...
So looks like, Ashutosh, that Delhi ka voter will now have to decide between a Chunavi Hindu and a Chunavi Muslim and who to vote for in the upcoming elections. We'll be tracking the latest. And does the Congress also have some sort of a jibe to throw? How will they get creative when it comes to election campaigning? Ashutosh, thank you very much.